When it's time for my period, I just don't feel like I'm really there. Not there for my family, or my friends, or for my career. For those few days, I just don't feel like myself. Now I can be there, and be myself, with Allay. Allay is a new drug-free, heat-free pain solution that gives me affordable and constant relief throughout my period, even on my most uncomfortable days. The Allay Menstrual Pain Therapy Patch uses miniaturized clinical technology to work with my body and help reduce both my pain and bloating. With Allay there throughout my period, I get consistent pain relief without peaks or troughs, so I no longer miss out and can simply get on with feeling normal again. Over 75% of women that were given the patch as part of clinical trials experience positive results.
With Allay, there's no need to plan around my period anymore. I can be me and do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it.
Allay keeps me pain-free throughout the day, and I don't have to keep taking pills. I use it every month, and now a lot of my friends are using it too.
Discreet and comfortable, with the Allay Menstrual Pain Therapy Patch, you too can stop worrying about your period pains and get on with being yourself. To find out more, including how to get your first Allay free, click myallay.co.uk or call us now on 0844 272 2559.